IQOO 11. So this mobile is going to release today in India. First of all, I have also done a video on IQOO 11 Pro. If you want to watch that video, go to the description box, click the link. Otherwise, click these icons and watch that video directly. So let's start with this IQOO 11 mobile features. First of all, this mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of bigger OLED display, and it is a LTPO4 generation display, and it supports 144Hz refresh rate, and it is also a HDR10 plus certified display. And when we talk about the highest peak brightness, this mobile comes with a 1800 nits of peak brightness. Yes. And when we talk about the processor, this mobile also coming with the same processor that IQOO 11 Pro does. That is, this mobile is coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is a 4nm based octa-core processor, and it is a 5G processor. When we talk about the 5G, it comes with 9 bands of 5G. And when we talk about the camera, this mobile has some cool camera features. This mobile comes with the triple cameras at the back side. It comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and it also comes with a 13 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera, and also a 8 megapixels of third wide angle selfie lens camera. And for the front, it comes with a 16 megapixels of wide angle selfie camera. And the most and best thing in this mobile, that this mobile coming with a huge 5000 milliampere of battery. And that's not it, but this also supports 120 watts of fast wide charge, but it doesn't comes with any wireless charge or reverse wireless charge features, so that's a thing we have to keep in mind. And when we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in lot of variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 512GB, and 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage variants. When we talk about the storage capacities, and this mobile is coming with the latest LPDDR4 5 RAM types and UFS 4.0 storage capacity, so we can expect a great speed in the game and great control. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with the Honor version 13 out of the box with the FunTouch OS 13 in India, but in the outside it comes the Origin OS 13. And when we talk about these mobile's features, like this mobile comes with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner Gen 2, and this mobile build quality, when we talk about the build quality, this mobile comes with a front back glass and metal, so this is a great build quality. But this mobile doesn't have features like IP68 water resistant and 3.5mm jack. This mobile comes with latest features like the Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. This mobile also comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. So these are the features of this mobile. And when we talk about the box contents, you will get a charger, Type-C to Type-C cable, and a simulator tool, user manual, and some quick start guides, something like that in the box, and a TPU case included in the box with this mobile. When we talk about this mobile's colors, this mobile will be available in 4 colors. I will leave the colors in the description box down below, because it's hard to remember the colors. And when we talk about the price, this mobile will be available around like 45 to 47,000 rupees, in between that range. So if you want to buy a best gaming mobile under like 40 to 50,000 rupees budget range, I will choose this one, because don't choose this one, because I said choose this mobile after watching some reviews on this mobile. So that's it for the video. And one more thing, if you want to buy this mobile, I know that I think that there are some card offers are going in the Amazon, so I'll make a dedicated short video about this card offer, so you can watch it and directly buy it from there. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and hit that like button.